So you have an event and you have 9 people that are booked for this event, but you need 20. And sometimes you work with other companies for staff. So you have here add external staff or here add external staff button that you can click on it and just use other companies that you're working with. If it's a staffing agency that you already have, so let's add a new staffing agency that we're working with and their email, and you can also share it with them, with the company. Once you did this, you have two options. One is that the company was just added. You have all the different shifts duplicated and you can just add people. So um, let's add Omri and let's add, and you can add any person that you would like. The idea is that afterwards these employees will also be available in future shifts, and then you have all the information in your event. Of course, here you have 11 people that are booked. You don't need to use any other places. All the people are right here, very organized to add people that are not in your company. Nice thing that you can do is also make them a verified staffing agency, and they would be able to feel this information right here. So if you're working with a staffing agency, you could just send them the link and make them a verified customer, and they would be able to give you the people that you ask them for right here, and you won't need to do anything as a client. Feel free to contact us right at the bottom.